Hello, I am your host, Lucas Davey, and for my definitely first ever tutorial, aka Tutorials with Tots, I will be showing you how to plant a tree with tots. Step 1, take the tots. Step 2, plant the tots. Make sure they're good together. Step 2, squish them down a little bit. Make sure they're really in the earth there. Yeah. Step 2, water your tots. You should expect your tree to sprout within the next 4 weeks. It seems things are progressing a little faster than usual, perhaps because of the brand.